Hi, in this tutorial we will go through the employee scheduling page. The employee scheduling page allows supervisors and administrators to create periodic work schedules to help them track and plan employees' working hours. Using employee scheduling, you can create periodic schedules, day, evening and night shifts, midnight crossover shifts, and split shifts. Employee scheduling is flexible and designed to meet all your work shifts requirements. There are a variety of ways you can set up employee schedules. You can set up weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, or even multi-year employee schedules. Or, you may want to create an employee-specific only schedule and assign to a particular employee only. In short, there are a variety of ways you can schedule employee schedules. Here is an example of an existing work schedule. You can click the View or Edit Schedule to see the schedule details. Here you can see the work schedule in terms of hours for each day in a month. Next, click on the individual day to see the full breakdown of scheduled hours in this pop-up. Here you can verify scheduled regular hours, break time, meal time or even overtime. If you want to edit the schedule for a single day or create a split shift for a single day, simply click the plus icon to create a split shift. Next, we will create a new employee schedule and assign to employees. To activate an employee schedule, you will need to assign to an employee. Once the schedule is assigned, employees and supervisor can see and verify their actual working hours against the schedule for planning and tracking purposes. To create a new employee schedule, simply click the Create New Schedule button and enter a user-friendly schedule name. Then, enter schedule start and end date range for the duration for which you want to create the work schedule. System will generate a new schedule between these two dates. Note that if there are any planned holidays set up in the holiday calendar page, then such holidays falling in these scheduled date ranges will automatically be validated and displayed as that date as a holiday. Next, click the Select Time button to enter breakdown of various types of hours in the schedule. You can schedule regular hours time in and out, break time start and back from the break, meal time start and back from the meal and overtime in and out. For this schedule, we will enter regular time in and out and break time in and out. As mentioned earlier, if you want to create a midnight crossover work schedule or create a split shift schedule, simply click the plus icon to add more rows. There is no upper limit on how many schedule rows you can add here. The Attendance Tracking Cloud does not currently hard enforce employee schedule. Meaning, actual hours logged in by the staff can be different and outside of scheduled hours. Once you set up all scheduled hours in this window and verify the accuracy, simply click the Add button. Next, system will generate schedule for hours defined in this window for date ranges specified in the previous screen. In this example, we are creating schedule for the quarter 3 of the year 2022. As you can see, the schedule is now created and ready to assign to various team members. Finally, you must click the Save button to create the schedule. Next, let's go ahead and assign this newly created schedule to few team members. Click on the Assignment tab, and select the Schedule Quarter 3 schedule we just created. Then, check employees you want to assign to this schedule. Once you have identified employees to assign this schedule to, simply click the Assign button. This completes the employee scheduling process for this schedule. Now these selected team members and their supervisors will be able to see employee schedule when approving time cards in attendance tracking and time tracking clouds. And with that, this also completes the employee scheduling tutorial. Thank you.